I have these unfinished butterflies. I got them in a pack from Hobby Lobby. There's some large ones and some small ones. I'm going to take 3 larger ones and paint them in Wise Owl Higgins Lake. I'm then going to take 2 smaller ones and paint those in Wise Owl Bowie. Now, of course, you could pick any colors that are going to match your decor. I went with what I liked. You could drop in the comments what colors interest you. Once dry, I'm going to take some painter's tape and I'm just painting off the center of each butterfly. I'm just using one long piece. And then I'm going to paint the center in Wise Owl Snow Owl. I'm using a foam dabber, and sometimes I like to do a dabbing motion rather than a wiping motion. It sometimes just gives better coverage. And then I'm going to repeat the same exact thing on my smaller 2 butterflies. And once everything is complete, meaning I did enough coats, I'm going to remove my painter's tape. I'm going to go on the larger butterfly and take Wise Owl Bowie and create polka dots. I did this on all 3. Then I went to the 2 smaller butterflies and I did polka dots in the Higgins Lake. I spell out the word hello, and I'm going to paint those in the goldenrod. Now we do have the 2-ounce paint bundles available at chalkitupfancy.com. Now I have this artificial floral stem, and I'm going to snip it because I like the wire. It has like a paper wrapped in it, and I need a total of 10 of them. And I'm just going to wrap them around my paintbrush to create little squiggly in the wire. And then I'm going to glue onto the back side of each butterfly 2 of them. And this is what we've created so far. I believe you could find this paper wire at Hobby Lobby as well. I'm then going to add glue to the back side, starting with the largest butterfly. I'm going to create a little loop in a piece of jute and glue that onto the back of one large butterfly. Then I'm going to lay down a smaller one and repeat the same thing, continuing lining the jute down the center back of each butterfly, rotating between the larger and smaller ones. And then I cut the excess jute off when I got to the bottom. So now they're all on one strand of jute, and I'm going to glue my wood letters in the center of each butterfly. And there you go. I think this came out really cute. I hope you enjoyed it. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, mesh stencils, and wood cutouts can all be found at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.